This is review of the best screen recorder for PC plus a how-to tutorial on how to record your Windows computer screen with just few simple clicks. Hey folks, this is Akhil from WM Originals. Talking about screen recorders, there are a bunch of screen recording softwares available when you Google about it. But which one is the best? Well, today I will share a full review and tutorial of best screen recorder for Windows 10. Today I am teaming up with Asus to present you Rec Experts, which is a simple Windows screen recorder to capture full screen and webcam. Rec Experts is best screen recording software with full set of features. With it, we can capture the entire screen, a specific part of screen and webcam also. We can also record system sound and narrator voice using a microphone. Also, if you are a gamer, it has game recording mode, with which you can record various high quality and popular 2D 3D games in 4K UHD resolutions. With this you can record your web conferences, games or online classes as well. So with Rec Experts you are ready for any occasion. It also provides simple and smart screen recording experience with the features like zoom in and out, locked windows recording and spotlight recording. It can also save files in multiple formats, remove background noise and boost your audio for tutorials. And once we are ready with recording, we can also share it directly on social media platforms like YouTube or Facebook. Enough of talking, let's download it and give it a try. For that, move to top of the page and click on free trial to download Rec Experts. Once download completes, click to install. Thereafter installation process starts. Follow the steps to complete installation. Once done, click on finish to open Rec Experts. This is how it looks like. Comes with simple UI and everything is available at glance. So even if you are a beginner, you don't get confused. Here we see options to record screen, audio, webcam or game as well. You can select if you want to record selected region, full screen, select region or fixed region or lock window as well. Also, what we can do is record system sound and microphone or just record microphone or record without any audio whatsoever. It's entirely up to us what we want to record. We can also change inputs from here, noise cancellation and audio boost is also available here. We can turn on or off if we want to record webcam as well. Let's take a quick look at the some of the settings. From here we can change output folder location, file type and other quick settings. From here you can change video settings. Here are audio settings, screenshot settings and here comes mouse settings if you want to record mouse clicks. We can also change some other settings for Rec Experts from here. Let's close this for now and give it a try and click on record button to start recording. Let's record this official web page. I will show you some more Rec Experts feature. There down the right side you will have this little panel here. Click on this or press F4 to turn on spotlight recording. Turn on zoom in or out by clicking on this or by pressing F10 button. Click on this to capture a screenshot. It can be done with a simple click. Here are some more tools such as click, pen tool, highlight. We have also got some arrows. If you want to point to certain things, we can also do that, which is very useful. We can also change colors from here. We can add a box from here. Also we have circle tool. Here we have numbering tool as well. We can give numbers from here. We can also undo from here. There are some more tools such as text and whiteboard. Just click on them to use. Once we are done, click on this to stop recording. Thereafter we are back to Rec Experts. This is the video list here. This is where all videos will be recorded and stored. You will be able to see them all listed down here. Just right click on it to preview, compress, edit or share it on social media platforms. We can also delete or rename it from here. Click on edit to open editor. From here we can trim screen recording, change playback speed, add watermark, and can add video intro and outro as well. Once we are done with editing, click on export and then enter file name and click save to export screen recording. Once it's successfully exported, click on preview to preview screen recording or click on open folder to open file location. Click on preview to have a look at screen recording. Finally, our screen recording is ready. This is how easily you can record your computer screen using Rec Experts. So even if you have never used a screen recording before, Rec Experts is an excellent choice and we can say it's the best screen recorder for PC. Want to give it a try? Check the link in description and pinned comment. Now let's talk about the pricing. For that, let's move back to official website and click on buy now. From here, you can choose the right plan for yourself. Monthly plan starts at $19.95, 1 year plan starts at $39.95, and lifetime plans comes for $69.95, which also has free lifetime upgrades. I will highly recommend you to give it a try, and if you want to, check the link in description and pinned comment. This is what I had in this video. Hope you liked it and was useful for you. If yes, do like and share this video. Also, share your feedback in comments. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Finally, thanks to Asus for sponsoring today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.